Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey into the intricate and fascinating world of the garden, a place where a delicate balance between predator and prey exists. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of companion planting, where we'll discover how to cultivate a garden that not only flourishes with vibrant life, but also repels those pesky mosquitoes and other unwelcome guests. Let the journey begin.
Our first subject, the Citronella plant, is a hero of the garden. Its leaves, when crushed, release a powerful citrusy aroma that we find quite pleasant, but to a mosquito is highly repellent. Citronella's potent fragrance masks the alluring scents that humans and animals emit, effectively confusing these tiny assailants. Native to tropical regions of Southeast Asia, Citronella grass thrives in warm, sunny environments. Its long, slender blades can grow up to 6 feet in height, forming graceful clumps that add an elegant touch to any garden. The secret to Citronella's effectiveness lies in its essential oil, which contains a compound called citronella. To experience the full benefits of citronella, simply plant it near areas where you and your family gather outdoors, patios, decks, and near windows and doors. As a bonus, citronella's aromatic leaves can be harvested and used to brew a refreshing tea. By harnessing the power of plants like citronella, we can create a more harmonious and enjoyable outdoor experience for ourselves, free from the annoyance of mosquitoes. So embrace the power of citronella, and let its invigorating aroma transform your garden into a mosquito-free sanctuary.
Let us now turn our attention to a plant whose beauty is matched only by its effectiveness as a natural pest repellent, the marigold. These vibrant flowers with their sunny disposition are not just a feast for the eyes, they are also a formidable force in the garden, deterring a whole host of unwelcome visitors. Marigolds emit a pungent aroma that we might find pleasant, but to certain insects is quite offensive. Aphids, those sap-sucking menaces, find the scent of marigolds particularly repulsive. Their roots release compounds into the soil that disrupt the life cycle of nematodes, those microscopic worms that can damage plant roots. The secret to the marigold's pest-repelling prowess lies in the chemical compounds found in their flowers, leaves, and roots. To harness the power of marigolds, simply plant them among your vegetables, flowers, and other vulnerable plants. Marigolds are a testament to nature's ingenuity, so embrace the marigold, a true marvel of the natural world, and let its vibrant blooms and powerful aroma transform your garden into a pest-free paradise.
Our final stop on our journey takes us to the lemongrass plant, a true multitasker in the garden. This tropical grass, with its refreshing citrusy aroma, is not only a culinary delight but also a potent mosquito repellent. Lemongrass, like its relative citronella, contains citronellal, a natural insect repellent that effectively confuses and deters mosquitoes. This versatile plant is also a popular ingredient in Asian cuisine, adding a zesty flavor to soups, curries, and stir-fries. Growing lemongrass is relatively easy, especially in warm climates. To reap the pest-repelling benefits of lemongrass, simply plant it near outdoor seating areas, windows, and doors. By incorporating this versatile plant into our gardens and our lives, we can enjoy its culinary delights while keeping those pesky mosquitoes at bay. So embrace the refreshing aroma and versatility of lemongrass, and let it transform your garden into a mosquito-free haven, filled with the tantalizing scents of the tropics.
As we conclude our exploration of natural pest control, remember that nature holds the key to creating a harmonious and thriving garden. By embracing the power of plants like citronella, marigolds, and lemongrass, we can create a haven for ourselves and our beloved plants, free from the annoyance of unwanted pests. Until next time, happy gardening!